What is going on, you guys? We're back with another video. Just on my way back home from the gym, and you know what time it is. It's time for a Sunday car meet, meeting up with the boys. The RS6 is back together again.
That's nasty.
Typey Mikey. Today's the Garage16 cars and barbecue. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Gonna have a lot of my boys there. There's gonna be some fast cars, some nice cars, some cool cars. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And see you when I link up with the boys. Finally, it's been like, I don't know, like 3 weeks since we got all the boys together. Little gas station pit stop before we get to Garage16. All the boys. Yo, the back of this car looks so sick with the cut bumper. This is one of my favorite colors too. For a Honda, Hondas in yellow are just sick. Yo, Mark's car looks so nice. RS6s in white just look good, man. All RS6s look good. Sharoon's car rips, and they hooks. This is all-wheel drive. That shit's crazy. Oh yeah, baby. Yo, what's up, bro? What's going on? What's good, brother? Got good spots. I'm not complaining. Now the RS6 is back together again. Crazy turnout for Garage16. This is crazy. Mugen front end. I like that, man. With the Mugen wheels too. It's got taste. It's got the Merc Racing pulley, but
that's not a Merc, unless it's painted. But the Merc has the...
Yeah, it has the logo. I don't know. Yeah. Dennis's car is over here. Oh crap. Alright, my bad, yo. Look at the fabrication. This thing's making jam. boys' car, Sharoon, Gab, Supercars, Drift's car. This is sick. This is crazy. Alright, Sex's here. Soon. This is nuts. Typey Mikey.
Bro, all-wheel drive rips.
Yo, that's nuts. Oh yeah, baby. Alright guys, that's a wrap of the Garage16 car meet and barbecue. It was an amazing show. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.